Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about canceling your subscription with Livecareer. In order to do so, here we are at livecareer.com, and as you can see we're all logged in. What you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You'll find your account icon, and if you hover over it with your mouse, then you're going to go ahead and select settings, and then from there you can go to subscription. And if you have a live subscription, then you'll find that information here. If you want to upgrade, you can click on upgrade to full access. And from here, you can see what the subscription options are. You can also contact customer service if you want help or you would like to change your subscription. So there is a number here that you can call as well, and you can also contact them via the email as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.